Before roof coating can be applied, the roof needs to be as clean as possible to ensure adhesion. Remember, a roof coating only works when it is fully adhered to the substrate. In this video, the existing PVC roof is very chalky and dirty. Pressure washing removes loose dirt and debris and creates a clean surface for the primer or top coat. Extremely dirty or greasy roofs should be washed with a mild detergent or degreaser and rinsed thoroughly. Let the roof dry completely before applying any coating. How clean should the roof be? Rub your fingers on the roof. If your fingers stay clean, your roof is ready. Lexus contractors understand the importance of a clean roof and take no shortcuts.